Hello, viewers, how are you doing? Yes, this is Lifestyle by Sheens, and you are watching Epic Waterfall. Yes, I'll explore a series of epic waterfalls, and here you go, Sherman Falls. This spot is actually absolutely magical. A perfect little getaway if you're looking for peace, nature, like me, and that fresh waterfall vibe without hiking for hours. Trust me. And yes, grab your coffee, pack your camera, and come along with me.
Proceed to the route.
Sherman Falls is located in Ancaster, just about an hour's drive from the GTA. And it's also known as Fairy Falls. And once you see it, trust me, you will know why. The trail is super accessible with a short walk from the roadside, and parking is nearby. Honestly, it's a great waterfall and a hike for all ages, even for seniors as well. Families, solo adventures, or even a cute date idea. As you're walking, you will be surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of birds chirping. It's like walking into a nature spa. Super calming, super relaxing. And guess what? You don't need hiking boots or gear for this one, just comfy shoes and a good mood. It's a 17-meter high curtain waterfall, and you can get some beautiful photos here, wide shots with the whole waterfall, or close up textures of the rocks and water flow. It's totally Instagram worthy, especially in spring and early summer when everything is green and vibrant. The sound of the water rushing down is honestly so therapeutic. You will want to just stand there, soak it all in. Bring a little picnic if the weather is nice. There is also lots of shade under the trees if you're visiting on a sunny day. And also a quick heads up, there is limited parking area right near the falls, so try to arrive early, especially on weekends. And the falls are located off Lions Club Road, and there is a small pool of area nearby. And while you're there, don't forget to check out some other nearby waterfalls like Tiffany Falls or Webster Falls, all just a short drive away. And please remember to respect the area. No climbing the rocks or leaving trash behind. Let's keep our beautiful Ontario trails clean and safe for everyone. So that's a wrap on today's adventure at Sherman Falls. Simple, serene, and totally worth the drive. If you're looking for a chill escape into nature, this place is it. Let me know in the comments if you have been there or if there's another hidden spot in Ontario you would like me to explore. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon for more peaceful travel vibes, local gems, and creative life moments with me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next vlog.